y'all, it's me, Prettywitty77, coming to you guys today with, I guess, something to get off my chest. So as you guys may know, that a product that I've been using since the beginning of my hair journey to detangle with, it was a rinse out conditioner. It's still a really good co-wash conditioner because you can detangle, co-wash at the same time, rinse and get out really quick. It's Hello Hydration. I know a lot of you guys have seen since I've been making videos. I think I discovered this like 2 or 3 months into my hair journey, which started 2011 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so recently I've been seeing this one in stores and it's new packaging. So I was like, okay, that's cool. Maybe they just got new packaging. Let me just grab it anyway. I buy these like 2 or 3 at a time because when I have one in the shower, I need a backup because it ain't nothing like running out of conditioner in the shower and you pump and it's nothing coming out. You be having to add water and stuff like that. I know I do. I add water to shake it up to see can I get a little more out of it. So as you know, I'm in the shower, ran out of this one, and so naturally I was like, I gotta back up. Hey, so I get this one. I start pumping. First thing I noticed, like the consistency is looser. So I was like, because it was about the same consistency of when I add a little water to this to kind of stretch it. So it wasn't a big difference, but for an OG like me who's been using Hello Hydration for years, I noticed. Okay, so I'm pumping and I always wash my hair or detangle my hair, do anything to my hair in the shower in 4s. So I added to the first section. Okay, it's a little thinner. And I started detangling and it just, although it was still, it was kind of getting the tangles away, I noticed that it wasn't doing it as fast as it normally does. So I mean, but you know, by all means it got the job done. But a Hello Hydration conditioner queen, I noticed a difference. Now it ain't big of a difference just to say, you know, I ain't finna use it no more, you know what I'm saying, because I have not found any product on the market as of yet to really detangle my hair like Hello Hydration conditioner. So I was like, okay, let me look into the product list. I wrote it out, sis, like what the ingredients list look like, okay? Like what does it look like? So I've discovered, glasses would have been really cute, you know. You can put some glasses on because y'all, I made notes to the ingredients and it was pretty much the same until it got to the 6th ingredient. Y'all know the first 3 or 4 ingredients that you see at the top of the product list, that's usually what most of the contents consist of. So around the 6th product, that's when the ingredients started getting flipped around. Now I'm going to say that for the most part they're the exact same ingredients in each, but that's just to the naked eye. To an OG like me, an Inspector Gadget person like I am, I noticed a change. So around the 6th ingredient, where there was the fragrance, it's now the corn silk extract, which I'm like, maybe that's like, it sounds like a little cheap ingredient. Look it up, sis. I'm just here to tell y'all. So yeah, where it used to be like the fragrance, it was like the corn silk extract, and I was like, that's probably it, because the corn silk extract used to be well, fragrance used to be number 9 on the ingredients list. That's it. The fragrance used to be number 9 on the ingredients list, and no, I'm lying. So the corn silk extract is now number 6 on the ingredients list, and it used to be a 9. It used to be at the 9th spot. So I feel like to bump up, they could throw everything off. So after that, they just start reorganizing all the ingredients, like putting less of that, more of that. The 7th ingredient, it used to be benzoyl alcohol. It's now some kind of flower extract. I don't know the names. You know, I'm gonna put them on screen. I got you. And that used to be number 10. It's now number 7. So I'm just trying to make it make sense, sis. Y'all probably like, Whitney, what are you talking about? I'm just trying to make it make sense because I'm slick pissed because I really can't find the old formula anywhere. I'm pretty much y'all gonna say Amazon, but pretty much all of the stores have converted over to the new formula, and I hate when this happens. Who remembers? Comment below if you remember the long-term relationship herbal essence product that they discontinued, shook my whole world up around what, 2012 they discontinued it. Hurt my feelings. Anyways, there are other things that they switched around, and they took one thing out. It was, the word so longer, it ain't even worth trying to pronounce. But they took one thing out, and they kept the blue coloring, I guess, as the last ingredient. But there are a couple of other things that they switched around that's now in the 11th spot. It used to be in the 8th, and everything is just switched around. So I feel like the main thing why I'm realizing that this stuff feels different is because of that corn silk extract is now higher on the list. So they put more of that in, they taking something out. Let me know if you guys really like this product, if you picked up the new one, if you've noticed a difference. But I just really want to let y'all know, that's all. If you found this video helpful, or you know, just appreciate me bringing this to y'all attention, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're new here, or you just came back, you know, again for a second or third or fourth video, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for listening to my rant and realization. This really broke my heart, y'all. I ain't gonna even flex, like, no cap. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I got my braces off. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, like, who am I?